Hello everybody and greetings. My name is Miguel Francia and welcome to the Disney Movies Blog TV channel. Today I'm going to show you on what you get when you unbox Walt Disney Beauty and the Beast, the Walt Disney Signature Collection Blu-ray combo pack. Here it is. Here's what the front cover looks like. It has Belle and the Beast on the front cover on it. So, here's the spine and the back. Here's what bonus features you'll get. You'll get 3 versions of the film: original theatrical version, special edition, and sing-along version, Mencken and Friends, 25 years of musical inspiration, the recording sessions, Always Belle, number 1074, Walt, Fairy Tales, and Beauty and the Beast, 25 fun facts about Beauty and the Beast, and more. You'll also get English, Spanish, and French audio subtitles language tracks. And you'll also get the Disney Movies Anywhere Redeemed digital code. You should use this to take your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and Muppets movies on the go, like on the road trip. Let's unbox this movie. Here's Walt Disney Beauty and the Beast, the Walt Disney Signature Collection Disney Blu-ray disc. And here's Walt Disney Beauty and the Beast, the Walt Disney Signature Collection Disney DVD disc. And here's the Disney Movies Anywhere Redeemed digital code. You should use this to take your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and Muppets movies on the go, like on the road trip. You have to follow the instructions and the codes by following the instruction steps. This is what the backside of it looks like. And here's the Disney Movie Club paper flyer advertisement thingy. You should use this to buy your favorite Disney movies on your favorite electronic devices. It looks the same on both sides. Thanks for watching this video and please give it a like and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.